when we had our internal IT staff, I think it was really hard for us to focus on everything that needed to be focused on, because we don't want to just focus on security. We have to focus on security. We have to focus on maintenance. We have to focus on growth. And working with J-Mark has allowed us to, and the team has allowed us to not just focus on keeping our network secure, but also maintaining our equipment, and also looking at future growth as well. So it's been really important to us, and having that expertise on that end that has the time and availability to work with us in maintaining all of it.